Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wait to lie with their wings, though. Okay, get into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons. A Gronkle nest? Okay, we have to get you out of here. Gronkle eggs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward! You know which way is forward, right?